Hello everyone, how to Tots back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to make money uploading videos on YouTube without getting monetization or without any subscriber. You just need views, then they will pay you. So first of all, you need to install this app. It's called Whop, and simply tap on the open button, and then you have to create your account. You can create your account with Google, Facebook or Apple ID. It's really simple. Then simply tap here the discovery, this one. So scroll down, then you can see the section. It's called content rewards. So basically this in this app there are a lot of companies, individuals, YouTuber, content creator or businessman. They provide you, if you advertise their company, their content, then they will give you money in views count. For example, you can see Golden Riches, they give you per 1000 views $1.5, and you can see they offered $24,000 and already paid $1.785, and only allow platform Instagram. So you can see faceless content, you don't need to show your face, so they give you the requirement, you can read. So I'm just going to choose the okay. Simply tap on the show well, then you will get all the company here. So you can see 304 results. If you want to get new, then you can see here new result, and after that you will find the company. So they allow they allow platform Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. So I'm just going to tap here and simply tap on the join button and make clips and get paid, they said. So after that you can see here open Whop after joining, and you can see here codes. Like, you just need to know how to process. So simply tap on the codes button, then they teach you how to get money, how to work and how to create. So you can see a couple of videos, not more than 3. It's simple. You just read like guidelines, account setup and example, how to get paid. So you don't need any monetizations, you don't need any subscriber, you just need views. Like, the more views you get, the more money you receive from them. This is authentic, you can try.